What's the meaning of argot? Argot. Argot.
Argot. Argot. Argot refers to a specialized language or jargon used by a particular group or subculture, often as a means of exclusion or secrecy. It can encompass both slang terminology and unique syntax or grammar. Examples of argot include the language used by criminals or members of certain professions, such as the military or medical field. Argot can serve as a tool for identity formation and group cohesion, but may also reinforce societal divisions and create communication barriers between different groups.